Welcome back to The New Mechanic. My name's Randy, and that's my E46. That's my E46, and that's my E46. It's everywhere! This, I think, is part 6 of the series where I am working on the interior. I'm dyeing the seats, I'm changing all the plastic to black, all the vinyl to black. I'm just making the interior look really, really good, and things are coming along really well. This episode is probably gonna span several weeks, because I can't do everything in one day. It's gonna be a lot of sanding, a lot of painting, and I don't wanna come out with a video every week with more painting and more drying of the paint and more painting after that and more sanding. So we're gonna lump it all into one episode, and I hope you enjoy it. So first thing that we're gonna do is move all the leather inside the house. Everything that is already done is gonna go inside the house so that as I spray, I don't get dust on the stuff that's done or mostly done. After I get all that stuff inside, then we'll go ahead and cover the car with plastic. That way we don't get any overspray on the paint. Paint's probably not that great to begin with, but it would be even worse with overspray all over it. So let's go ahead and move that stuff. All right, so what we're gonna do now is get this trim off, this piece and this piece. This car is so disgusting right now. Like, look at all that dog hair and that grime and the crap and underneath the seat. I mean, there's cranes back there. Like, what? So, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a thorough clean and get rid of all my tools in here, get rid of the crap. There's a couple pennies in there, so yeah, let's go ahead and get started on that now. Wow, look at that. That carpet looks fantastic. It's not perfect. There's still some minor issues here. Like you can see, there's some crap that's in the carpet there. So I'm probably gonna still rent a cleaner, but this is a really, really good start. We may end up dyeing this even blacker. So I'm really, really happy with this. This is a fantastic start. So the question is, what are we gonna be doing next? And that's a great question. What we're gonna do next is go ahead and go to the store, go to Lowe's or Home Depot, I'm not sure, get some plastic to cover this car because I don't want to get overspray on it. After that, we're gonna go ahead and start sanding all the plastic. We've done some of the painting, more or less as a test to figure out what we like and what we don't, and I figured it out. So we're gonna start with a base coat of this black spray paint. I forget what exactly it's called. It's like a matte finish though. And then after that, we'll go ahead and spray paint a clear, flat finish to it. And it looks really, really good. I've already done a test piece and I'm really happy with it. And after that, we can start to see what this car is gonna look like when we get everything in here. I might even get some stuff painted up and put in here and put the seats in here just to see what it looks like. And I think that'll be really cool. After that, we'll also work on all the vinyl and the leather. Like the more soft stuff, because we got to go ahead and use that vinyl and fabric paint, and I got to do a test run with that because I haven't done that yet. And yeah, then we'll be able to get stuff back into the car, and hopefully by the end of the month, March, we can get this car back out on the road. That's my goal, and so we got to do it. All right, let's go get that plastic. Now we can get to sanding and painting. All right, so after a lot of sanding and a lot of painting, we're still not done yet, which is kind of funny, but it's a lot of work. That's okay though. I have to back the car out right now because tomorrow we have a pod coming. The reason why we have a pod is because we're moving, but more on that later. The pod's gonna be where the Acura is right now. And we need this area free so that we can get the furniture and all the boxes out to the pod. So wish me luck. I know there's gonna be some airbag lights on, that's okay, but we gotta get this outside so we have the room to move. And like I said, the move's gonna be exciting, but again, more on that later. So let's do it. Might have run over Steph's backpack. Don't tell her. Yeah, don't tell her. All right, so this part of the video is probably gonna be a little chaotic because we're trying to get stuff loaded into the pod. But before we do that, I got some of the black dye and I got some more orange dye so we can finish up the seats. But the black dye we're gonna get on the whole dashboard and some of the side, the panels down here. But yeah, so we got to do this first. Don't have to, but I'm gonna get it done over lunch. And yes, hopefully this looks really good. This is, I think, anthracite, which I think is very close to what BMW's black is. So it should look really, really good. And it should kind of bring it back to life. Even if it's literally the same color, it shouldn't look as faded. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so I'm also gonna do both of the boots, the shift boot and the parking brake boot. The parking brake boot had a little zip tie attached to it underneath and, you know, on the back. It's like when it's inside out, there's a zip tie on it. The parking brake, I was able to just pull straight off. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean these up and then spray them. So hopefully they turn out pretty good. The parking brake handle, you might be able to get that off, I'm not sure, but I don't want to break it. I don't want it to be loose later, so I'm gonna go ahead and paint on that with a brush, and it should turn out just as good. So we'll do that next after I paint these. All right, so we got all the leather done. Well, the front seat leather done. Back seats, the color is good, but we need more clear coat. So we're gonna go ahead and start reassembling everything. Technically the plastic isn't done yet, but that's okay. We're gonna kind of paint everything concurrently while I'm getting some of this leather back together. And then once the plastic's done, then we'll get the plastic on and get things back into the car. We can also get the dashboard in without, you know, getting this finished. So yeah, we still have stuff to do even though the plastic's not fully finished. So like I said, installing everything back in is just the reverse of taking it out. So I'm gonna first go ahead and try to get this leather back on these seats, and then maybe we'll move on to getting the center console and the dashboard back into the car. So yeah, let's do it. All right, we finally got the driver's seat finished. I'm gonna wait to do the passenger seat because I wanna get this in the car, and I think after that, all we have to do is get the steering wheel in, and then we can take it for a drive. So I'm super excited, and yeah, let's do it. All right, so we finally got everything dyed and clear coated except for the rear door panels and that center console thing in the rear. But all I have to do is one more coat on the rear one, and then the door panels in the back, I kind of have to get cleaned up a little bit. Some of the edges aren't great, so I gotta do those. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and get the front door panels on, because that way I don't have to put the window down, reach outside to open the door when I wanna get out. So let's do it. right, so this is super exciting. This is the last item to put onto this car. Actually, that's not entirely true. I gotta put the silver part on the other side and the silver part on this side as well. But once that's done, we're done with this car. Super exciting. There's probably some stuff that I'm gonna, touch up here and there, but yeah, the project is finished and I am super excited. It looks fantastic, so yeah, let's get this on. All right, the very last piece to go back on this car. And there it is. It's done. It's finished, guys. Super exciting. There's still a lot, little things here and there that I want to do eventually. But this part of the project's finished and I'm super excited. Everything looks really, really good. The dashboard looks really, really good. It's all one uniform color now. Before it was, a little bit faded. It wasn't as black as it could have been. All this fake wood paneling, it looked awful before. Now it's this nice aluminum fake finish. This was my first time wrapping, so definitely didn't turn out perfect. There's a lot of poor edges and whatnot, and I'll probably redo them at some point, but for right now I'm just gonna enjoy it because I really, really like what came out. So yeah, everything kind of really goes together. The only thing that I really want to do is get a new shift knob. I want to get one with a black leather shift knob, and I think that'll really tie everything in well. From there, I guess the only other things are these visors and the handles. They're all this, original gray color. Do want to change those to black at some point, but not too worried about it for now. I'm going to show some montages of this car in the next video, so look out for that. I know it's been a long time since my previous video, but hopefully, I can get the next one out in the next 2 weeks or something like that. We'll see. But yeah, I really enjoyed this project. It was a lot of work, and I learned a lot about this car, and I'm really glad that I did it. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll catch you next time.